Kia ora, I'm Sophie Ineson. I'm a year 12 at Southland Girls High School. I've lived in Southland all my life and I have a real passion for creativity and science. With more space missions and Artemis missions coming about, there's more humans in space, which ultimately leads to more problems and different things that can arise from that. So when I was doing my research, I discovered that wounds in space act very differently to what they do here on Earth due to microgravity. That can lead to impaired blood system, reduced oxygen, slower healing and less cell regrowth. And I ultimately came down to my project, which I've titled Hydrogel. It looks into wound dressings in space and how they can be used. So ultimately I ended up creating 4 different prototypes. I went through a series of testing stages. I incubated my prototypes to see if any bacteria grew, and then following that I did microscopic pictures to see the structure of my wound dressings, and then I also tested on apple skin, which was the best replica I could find for human skin. I've decided that prototype 4 would have the best balance for wound healing in space. The gel-like sort of pad consistency, which incorporated the cytosine and hemp, which are well known for their antibacterial and their anti-inflammatory properties, which helps for wound healing in space. With more testing, so likes of zero gravity and like lunar dust testing, I definitely think that my Hydrogel product can be a more sustainable wound dressing option for space. In the future, I definitely want to go to university, study neuroscience through psychology and space, looking at psychological and neurological factors that can affect people in space.